Tracking progress, creating checklists, and creating multiple choice questions has never been easier in Google Docs through Dropdowns. To do this, what we want to do is in your to-do list, progress tracker or quiz, head on up to the Insert button at the top navigation bar and go down to where it says Dropdown. From here, it will give us the option to use some preset templates such as the status of a project or the reviewing status of something. Alternatively, if you want to create your own, all you need to do is head on up to where it says New Dropdown. To start things off, all you want to do is give your template or dropdown a name, as this can then be reused multiple times throughout your documents. And then you can name and add your options, such as ABC in a quiz, complete to a high standard, adequate standard, incomplete, etc. for a quality of work tracker, high, medium and low for engagement, and much more. To add more options, all you need to do is click the plus new option at the bottom. And to remove options, all you need to do is click on the rubbish bin icon to the right of each option. And finally, you're able to color code each of these options too by clicking on the grey circle next to this and choosing one of the colors here, or you can customize your own color so that it matches your document, house theme, or whatever. And then when you're done, click the save button at the bottom right. Now it's been selected into your document and you're able to change which option by clicking on it and choosing the option you'd like. You're also able to change the options and colors in here by clicking on the Add/Edit Options button here. But be careful, as this will change the entire options on your document which use this dropdown.